Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the update now, so first confirm the TV is on a stable network and plugged into power. Updates fail if the set loses power. Next, open Settings, right arrow Device Preferences, right arrow About. Once there, make sure you're signed into your Xiaomi/Google account. Then select System Update and tap Check for updates. This forces the TV to query the server. Doing these steps early prevents mid-update interruptions and preserves your settings in case a rollback is needed. When the update appears, choose Download and watch the progress percent. Downloads can be hundreds of megabytes, so expect several minutes. If prompted, accept permissions or new terms. These enable feature updates. After download, tap Install Now. The TV will verify packages and begin installation. You'll see progress and occasional reboots. This is normal. Make sure nothing interrupts power or network. If a prompt asks to optimize apps, allow it. This step ensures apps remain compatible with the new system level. Once the TV finishes and reboots, go to About to confirm the new build number and security patch level. This verifies success. Make sure apps open and Wi-Fi reconnects. Sign back into accounts if needed. If the update fails or the TV hangs, power cycle by unplugging for 30 seconds and retry the OTA check. If persistent, download the official firmware to a FAT32 USB and update via local update. Only use factory reset as a last resort because it erases apps and settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.